help support our coverage using Blueberry, the community that gives creators the ability to make money, get detailed audience measurements, and host their audio and video. Get 30 days to try out the service using promo code Blueberry004. That's BLUBRRY004.
Hi, I'm Alante with PLUGHITZ Live, part of the Tech Podcast Network. I'm here at CES 2023 Live, unveiled with Andre at GE Appliances. How's it going, Andre?
Doing really well. I'm so happy to have you here.
I'm excited to be here. You've got something fun to show us. We're here live and in person. This is great. So what you got going on here?
So this is the GE Profile Smart Mixer with AutoSense. It's been a labor of love for us, but really a total reinvention of an iconic category. And we're really excited to talk to you and bring to the world all these amazing features, the smart design, the connected features. We think this is going to be a true game changer.
I mean, just from the look already, without you even giving me any details, this already looks innovative. It looks new. It looks modern. Tell me what makes it all of those things.
So, well, there's a number of things. Before I get to the connected features, I want to leave some suspense. It is CES. It's a smart product. You know we're going to get there. But it starts with intelligent design. We've redesigned every touch point on this product to bring it forward and make it about the user. Lift and lock arms are ambidextrous up in front. The controls up in front. We bought an LED readout in. It has an integrated scale in its base to allow users to accurately measure ingredients. It has an integrated timer that'll control the mixer. So if you set the timer, when it runs out, it'll auto stop that mixer. We've redesigned how attachments go into the mixer, where we've got really novel way where the attachment goes in and out. I'm not going to put my hand in there as we're creaming some butter right now. But where the excitement starts is when you download our Smart HQ app and you commission this product via Wi-Fi, because that's where we take all the features I just described to a whole new level. We have guided recipes in our app that interface with this product. So we're going to tell you how to use the product, and we're going to have you weigh your ingredients. We're going to send the weight down to this, and it's intended to step by step take you through a recipe and ensure you get the same results in your kitchen that we get in ours.
Honestly, that's fantastic. To hear all of these wonderful, not just smart features, right, but like guided features, along with something that we've had in our kitchen for decades, or at least our grandmothers, mothers have had in our kitchen. Now, speaking of that kind of thing, the stand mixers that we've had over the years, what inspired you guys to, put all of these features into a stand mixer?
Well, it's a few things. So one, personally, I lead the small appliances division at GE Appliances, but I am also a recovering professional baker myself. I owned and operated my own bakery decades ago, and we're newer coming back into small appliances, but we're one of the leaders in North America in cooking for major appliances. So our test kitchens use stand mixers every single day to help feed into product development and performance testing. We had a lot of untapped knowledge, and we had a point of view. And it was really about bringing the delight of baking to a new generation of bakers, enabling older bakers to have more accessible access to their product, and letting all of us either push our limits as bakers or, I'm here, I've done it professionally. I can still screw it up. I'm a parent. I know exactly how to make a meringue, and then a kid shows up and I ruin the batch. And that's where our AutoSense feature, that's actually our hero feature, really comes into play. So right now we're creaming butter. We also have a great meringue cookie recipe, but this mixer detects the change in resistance in the bowl. So when you enable our AutoSense recipe, you don't need to know when the butter's been creamed. The mixer does, it'll stop automatically. If it's your first time making a meringue and you don't know what a stiff peak looks like, that's okay. The Smart Mixer with AutoSense knows what it feels like, and when those peaks are stiff, it's gonna shut the mixer off for you and try and ensure you get the results in your kitchen, again, that we get in ours.
Love it, excellent. Now, let's go into the connected features of this stand mixer. What can you tell me about that?
Well, we were talking a little bit about it with the guided recipes and the AutoSense. So this product, like all of our other GE profile products, they're over-the-air update capable. So a recipe is content, but we're continuing to work on this product. Launching this, and it's available for sale at Crate & Barrel now, wasn't a success story that completed its development. This is really bringing the world in to the continuing development of this product. So we're working in our kitchens to develop new content that can pair with this machine and bring new delight to homeowners. We're bringing in partners like King Arthur Baking Company, the oldest baking ingredient company in the country. They're developing content for this product because they understand it for what it is. It isn't just a revolutionizing of the stand mixer market. It's also a platform to deliver cooking content into the home and to enable a whole new generation of bakers to push their baking limits.
Awesome. What kind of things comes with the device?
Right, so we've got a few attachments. I've got a few moving here. So you see the product as pictured. We have the stainless steel dishwasher-safe whisk here. This is a fantastic whisk where we redeveloped the design. Here we've got a mixing spade in, and we also have not pictured here a dough hook when you're really getting into some of those doughs that you're cooking.
How much of this is dishwasher safe?
All the attachments are dishwasher safe. That's a great question. Do not put the entire machine in, but
I would.
See, this is why I warned you. But the attachments themselves are dishwasher safe, and we hadn't touched on it before. It does have a front-mounted accessory port up here. That accepts other competitive attachments that are available in the market today. We want to add to this category. So there's some great attachments out there. If you love them, if they're commercially available, that's great. They work with our mixer as well. And that's another place we're continuing to work in development, is really trying to bring some new innovation in that area. So I'd look out for months and years to come where we keep pushing in and around this mixer content, new accessories, new partners. So this is the beginning of something special for us.
I love it, and it's great to hear that you guys are playing nice with the market. Yes. So that's good. Now let's get to the things that are very important to our viewers and listeners out there. Where can we get these beautiful machines? Are they available and right now, or when are we going to see them? And how much are they going to be?
So a few things. So yes, available. There are some delays. We've had a lot of orders. So this went up for pre-sale December 1st at Crate & Barrel. It is available at crateandbarrel.com. We are catching up with back orders right now, so you can place an order today. Probably going to take a few weeks to ship. A lot of people wanted to try and sneak this in ahead of or just after holiday, and it'll be moving into Crate & Barrel stores here soon as well. Retail price point is $9.99 as the suggested retail, and again, super excited about it. The response has been amazing.
Awesome. I'm amazed. I've worked with stand mixers for a long time. I've actually worked in a factory where I've assembled some of these. Yeah. So to see something like this to be, I don't know, just in the new age, is very refreshing, and I think the features that you guys have going for the stand mixer is incredible. I think it's great. How long did it take you to develop this?
We were working on this for a couple of years. It was a bit of a clandestine project for us. We didn't want to let the whole world know. In my mind, I think I started thinking about this 20 years ago when I owned my own bagel place, and I can't tell you how many batches of small batch cream cheese or artisan doughs where I needed a small batch where I used the countertop bowl lift mixer myself. So in my mind, I started working on this 20 years ago, but we put a team on it a little over 2 years ago.
Well, Andre, thank you so much for showing me all of these features, for letting me know, everything there is to know about this beautiful product that is already in stores right now, like the man said. Available for how much again?
$9.99, crateandbarrel.com. Check it out today.
You heard it from Andre, and thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more coverage from CES 2023. We are live.